Hi, and welcome again to Kotak Securities weekly fundamental podcast. I am Rini Mehta, and as usual, I'll take you through key updates from stock markets and top stock picks for you to invest in. So stay tuned till the end. Now, let's get started. Indian equity markets started the year 2022 on a strong note with majority indices moving in the north direction last week. Despite rising COVID cases in India and globally, the markets moved higher as the severity of Omicron variant seems to be low. Sensex and Nifty index inched up by 2.6% each during the week. And after witnessing correction in the recent weeks, BSE BankX staged a strong comeback with returns of 6.5% in the last week. Then defenses like BSE IT and healthcare gave negative returns during the week. Now coming to other developments, FIIs turned out to be net buyers in Jan till date. The 10-year US Treasury yield moved higher during the week and crude oil prices increased beyond $80 mark, and it is inching closer to October 2021 highs. What we believe is that inflation concerns, higher interest rate scenario, and increasing COVID cases are some of the challenges for the market. Domestic markets over the next 1 month will closely track the upcoming quarterly results and the union budget. And if we speak of FII flows, with the expectations of US Fed rate hike, rising concerns of Omicron, and elevated inflation levels, we expect FPI flows to emerging markets, including India, to remain volatile. Additionally, investors' focus will be on the upcoming state elections in India. Okay, now moving on to the top stock picks. Our pick of the week is Zee Entertainment with buy rating and target of rupees 375. So guys, as you all know, Zee and Sony have signed definitive agreements to merge. The merged company would become India's number one entertainment broadcast network with 28 to 30% market share. This merger would put an end to governance concerns and improve probability of success in digital. So guys, we downgrade to ad rating from buy earlier and revise the fair value to rupees 375 from 400 earlier, valuing Zee at 20 times FY24 pro forma earnings. We trim our multiple in view of one is continued pressure in the core TV business, that is weakness in viewership and ad outlook, and secondly rise in competitive intensity in OTT platforms. Even as this merger would take 6 to 9 months, it is imperative for Zee to fix the core and accelerate investments in digital at the earliest. Nevertheless, we'll keep an eye on the fundamentals. So guys, you can add this stock on dips. Now, as the earnings season kickstarts this week, I would like to share December quarter earnings preview with you all to help you prepare for the season. So basically, we expect third quarter net income of the KI universe to increase by 19% year on year, as most parts of the economy continued the recovery momentum of second quarter. Then, most large sectors are expected to report decent earnings. So here's what we expect from each sector. First is banks. We expect a steady sequential decline in slippages, lower provisions, better performance of large banks. Secondly, from metals and mining sector, we expect higher realizations and volumes on a year-on-year basis, but weaker sequentially. Third is oil and gas and consumable fuels. From this, we see there could be higher quarter and quarter and year on year realizations for upstream companies, improved marketing and refining margins for downstream companies sequentially, And then from retail sector, we expect strong volume growth led by increase in footfall and operating leverage led margin expansion. Meanwhile, we expect decline in the net income of automobiles and construction materials. Automobiles due to production issues and raw material headwinds, and construction materials due to weak demand environment, higher fuel and power costs. Overall, we expect net profits of the BSE 30 index to increase 19% year on year and 1% quarter on quarter, and for the Nifty 50 index to increase 20% year on year and 3% quarter on quarter. We estimate EPS, that is earnings per share, of Sensex at rupees 2284 for FY22 and 2645 rupees for FY23. For Nifty 50 index, we expect at rupees 726 for FY22 and rupees 844 for FY23. So guys, that's all for today. For more details on these, you can visit the research section of Kotak Securities website or follow us on Telegram for more updates. Do share your feedback with us. Thank you and happy investing.